What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something big, and when I say big I mean big, because we're gonna do it big, right little buddy? What we're gonna be doing today is listening to that. Take 5. What we're gonna be doing today is throwing on a custom Stage 2 93 octane tune on my M5. All right, so first things first, make sure you have some type of battery tender connected to the car, because you do not want your battery to go dead while you're in the middle of tuning your car, okay? Secondly, we're gonna hop in here. I'm going to turn off all these unnecessary lights. I am going to plug in my keys adapter. All right, so I plugged in my keys adapter. I'm gonna go into vehicle settings, turn off all these unnecessary fans, and I'm going to turn off the lighting. So the daytime running lamps, as you can see, they're on. I'm gonna turn them off so it gives us, so we're not draining the battery basically, okay? So then I'm gonna open up my phone. We are going to make sure we have keys connected. There it is. So I'm going to copy this IP address because I'm going to change it over to manual mode. So just remember the mask, subnet mask, because that's what we're going to use. Go here, manual, paste, 255.255.255.0. Oh, my honey's opening the garage so I could get some fresh air up in here. Thank you, baby. All right, save that. And now I'm going to hop into boot mod. All right, everything's connected. Hit start, active license, blah, blah, blah. Go to my maps. Here is my custom 93 map from Igor's garage. I will put on my seat belt just so the ECU doesn't decide to go to sleep on us. All right, so this is the first stage of the map. We're gonna click flash. Battery chargers highly recommended. Turn headlights off. Connect. Driver's side seatbelt, do not open or close while flashing, blah, blah, blah. We got all that. All right, let's click flash. Everything is gonna go crazy because a lot of things are being changed. Deleting existing data, please wait. Total write time, total map. So it's a 4.1 megabyte. All right. Wow, you could see me in the background. You like the yellow case that I'm recording with, guys? All right, so we'll see how long this actually takes. I mean, it should not be longer than 5 minutes or so. We got the battery tender on, so let's just see how it goes. So far, we're at 3% here. All kinds of warnings, but that is normal because we are rewriting the ECUs. Parking brake. So a lot of things are happening here. So as you can see, the time when we started, 6:48. So I'm just gonna pause here and just continue on when we're moving a little closer. All right, so about a minute has gone by. We're at 35%. It's moving pretty quickly. All right, we're almost at 60% here. 75%, moving right along. So it's showing it's been about 3 minutes. Yeah, sounds about right. 99%, 100%. Flash complete. Bringing in other ECUs out of sleep mode. Setting high power, flashing, blah, blah, blah. Enter programming session, please wait. Drivetrain malfunction. Full flash of stage 293 in progress. Deleting existing. So I wonder if it's flashing one ECU and then going to the second one now. That might be the case here. So we'll just let this go again and see what it does. But I'm pretty sure that's what it's doing. It's flashing. It flashed one of them. Now it's flashing the other one. So we're moving right along. All right, so we are at 77% here. So it looks like it's going to take about the same amount of time as the first ECU did. Usually they say the initial long write is the longest, and then all the small changes made are very quick. So let's see if that's the case. Hi. All right, 97%. Let's see what we get here. Then it should start clearing all these malfunctions and drivetrain warnings. Don't open the door. All right, successful. Stage 2 map is flashed. Total time 3 minutes 15. Okay, click done. Let's see what we got here. All right, so last flash, it's showing this is our last flash here. I still have this pedestrian warning. Let me turn on my daytime running lights. Let's go under vehicle info, not sports display, vehicle status. What do we have? We have replace battery. Okay, that's interesting. But basically, let's go here. Let's go under diagnostics, read codes. No codes detected. All right, so usually, oh, actually it just said all systems okay. So I think that might have just drained some battery for us, but let's give her a fire up here. All systems okay. Hood open. Alright guys, so the car should be theoretically flash stage 2. This is the first map. I'm gonna do some logs, send it to the tuner, have him look it over, revise it, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm currently editing this video and I did not really do an outro. So after I tuned the car, I went with my wife to eat dinner to South Barrington because I wanted to have a nice ride and drive out there so I could, get at least 20-30 miles in to see how the car is doing, how it feels, if I'm getting check engine lights or whatnot. I did 2 pulls and I data logged them so I could send it over to the tuner. Basically the first pull, it detected a quick 1 knock was detected, but nothing went lean or anything, so it said it was probably a false knock. Second pull was clean. Tuner looked it over, did a revision, sent it over to me and flashed it again, and we're good to go. So I need to mention that when I did those pulls, the car, this was with air conditioning on, and it was a pretty warm day, 85 degrees. The air intake temperatures were right around 115-ish, so it was a pretty hot day. The thing pulled like a freaking freight train, especially the top end. Holy moly, it just keeps third, fourth gear is just, you're just back in the seat and it is moving. So next steps will be taking the car to the dyno just to see how much power it's putting down on this conservative stage 2 tune on 93 octane. And yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video.